Hi, this is Brian from freephotoshopoverlays.com, and I thought I would do a quick breakdown on how you can do overlays in Photoshop Elements. This is Photoshop Elements 2023, but you can do this technique with older versions as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up our images, one photograph and one overlay. This is the overlay that we're going to want to put on top of this image here. I'll just select them both and open it up here. And what we want to do first is go down to the bottom corner here and click on Photo Bin, so we can see what we got here. The other thing we need to do is we need to go into expert mode. This allows us to get into the layers, which is what we need to do to get this overlay working. So on the right here we have the layers panel, and right now we have this lady selected here, and let's get an overlay going. So I'm going to move down here, down to the photo bin, and I'm going to select what I want overlaid on top and drag it and let it go here. And this is the overlay. Obviously it doesn't look right, so let's get into the layer modes here. I'm making sure that this overlay image here is on top and it is selected, and under these drop downs here you can get to different layer modes, and what we're looking for, a good one for an overlay, is screen mode here. So let's click on that, and as you can see it's overlaying and looking pretty good. To move the overlay around, you want to have the move tool selected. Sometimes maybe a marquee tool or lasso tool or something else is selected, and it seems like, oh man, how do I move this? But just make sure your move tool is selected, and you can move it around. Another option that works well for overlays is getting to the, again, making sure this is selected, this top layer, which is the overlay, and going to linear dodge add, and that makes it a little brighter. That can be a pretty cool effect as well. So what you're looking for this kind of overlay image especially is something where the background is black, and what linear dodge and what screen does, these layer modes, is it basically masks out the black and focuses on the bright values of the layer. So that's what you're looking for. Feel free to check out freephotoshopoverlays.com for a large library of Photoshop overlays that you can use, not just in Photoshop, but other programs that offer different layer modes as well. If you like what you see, feel free to like this video. Love it if you would subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, leave it down below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, take care. Bye.